Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my research, how I do my crypto research. So first of all, I go to coinmarketcap.com after hearing about the project that I'm about to do my research. So first thing is load up CoinMarketCap, and then in this case I'm going to be using a crypto that I'm already invested in, which is KLV, the KLV coin, klever, on the klever blockchain. So klever with a K. So yeah, first off, the first thing that I look at doing my research is the amount of people that is on the watch list, which is in this case 37,697 watch list on CoinMarketCap. So then I go ahead to watch the coin price, obviously on the right side, and then the price chart I look at from 6 months, from 6 months to like 1 year. So this is the 1 year chart, which is which the highest has been 14 to 16 cents, and then after that, as you can see, is on the downward spiral since then, and the coin price now is 3 cents. So yeah, so this is the price today, the volume and all of that. So we check the volume being traded on here as well, which is trading volume in 24 hours, which is $1.5 million, which is not bad, but it's a little bit low because it's actually number 419 on the ranking, on the crypto ranking. So which isn't bad. It's still a project that is still in the development stage. People are just trying to get to know about it. So the 24-hour traded volume is 1.5 million, and then the fully diluted market cap, which is very, very important. If you want to do your own research, look at the fully diluted market cap, which is in this case is 325 million, and then the coin market cap is 110 million. A good project will usually have hundreds of millions. That's facts. That is just basic. You should always look out for that. The max supply, and then again the maximum supply, which is 10 billion coin, but the coin circulating supply is 304 billion. So that one too is very, very important. So that means the 34% of the total supply is currently in circulation. So you have to be very, very mindful of that. And then this is where you can see all the overview, the historical data, wallet news, socials, and ratings. But I really don't pay attention to that. So what I do is I go to I look at the information available to me concerning the project, which in this case klever.io. That is the website which I'm going to click now. Loading up there. While that is loading, I look at the explorers, the community, the charts, source code, and then the most important part again, the white paper, which I'm going to click again. The white paper, we're going to get into the website and white paper in a second. And then you look at the contract. The KLV coin is built on the Tron blockchain, which you can see the contract there. So in case you want to buy through or DeFi like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and all of that, so you can. And then again, after all of that is done, you get most of these projects, you get their real website and everything on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, if that's what you use. So yeah, so you get that on there, and then you can read a little bit about the project right here, like the price data, what is the KLV coin, what is it about, the use cases, how it's secured. Klever supports 10 blockchain, so it's just, and then they currently have a mobile wallet app, so which is the download the Klever app right here. So all of that. So when you look at all of that, then you know that okay, yeah, this is what you're getting into. And then again, the exchanges that is listed, which is very, very important. No reputable exchange will list just any altcoin. So the only big name that is not here is Coinbase and Binance. So it is on KuCoin. If you buy on KuCoin, you can buy it on Gates. Just know that all I'm showing you guys, it is not financial advice. And you can see the amount, the price of the KLV coin on each exchange, the volume being traded on it, and then you can read more about it if you want. So we're just going to get into the Klever exchange, which is the website. This is the Klever exchange. This is one of the KLV use cases, which is which, as you can see, the popular and black kind of user interface, which actually makes a lot of sense. So you just start trade here. If you want to trade, you look around, just see, read about the Klever news, the Klever newsletter. These are all the blockchain currently on the Klever ecosystem, which is BTC, ETH, KFI. KFI is like a governance token of the KLV ecosystem, which is LTC, supports 10 blockchain. So you probably find most of your everyday crypto on the exchange anyway. So which you can see now, it is very, and it's still in the development stage. They have SHIB, they have all of this, and you can download on Google Play and App Store if you want to. Don't forget, the purpose of this video is just to show you guys how I do my research, and we're using KLV coin as an example. So we're moving on to the white paper, which is, let's click the white paper again on CoinMarketCap. Oh yeah, it's directing to the Klever exchange. It should be somewhere here. So you can see all the latest news about the Klever news, everything going on around and within the Klever exchange. Yeah. So these are like the best experience for crypto trades. These are one of the use cases. 24/7 support, easy to use, low fees, and all of that. So when and frequently asked questions, if you need any help about all of this, the Klever wallet app, the roadmap, I pay attention to that as well, which I'm going to open the link in new tab. I'll open on this one. Okay, let's get to one first. So the roadmap, this is the roadmap 2020, the year is 2020, which is last year, and these are everything they've achieved so far last year. So, and then we're just going to come all the way down to 2021, year of the roadmap, and so far this is everything that's been going on the blockchain. This is the 2022 roadmap. They are going to have mistaken KLV. Now I want to show you guys something on the 2021, the Klever blockchain, which is currently at testnet right now. I got the news on my email the other day, because I already told you guys that I'm already invested in this coin, but I'm doing my research and I'm showing you guys how I do my research. And it's not limited to Klever alone. I spread this kind of due diligence across everything that I'm invested in, Cardano and all of that. Even Bitcoin, you have to do your research. You have to know how to do your research, what to look out for, what to do, and all of that. So this is the roadmap, and then this is the Q4. So Q4, which is anytime soon, the Klever hardware wallet, the pre-sale is currently going on right now. So 2022, you're going to have Klever blockchain mainnet, KLV and KFI is going to swap from Tron blockchain onto the Klever blockchain. So then you have Klever subscription, Klever bank, all of that coming in. Blockchain 2.0 coming in Q4 2022. So the roadmap is pretty detailed, and up to 2023, 2024. And you can join the Klever community, which I'm a part of. I'm in the Discord, in the Telegram channel. I joined their Twitter spaces and all of that. So you have to look out for all of those things. And they're going to have a couple hundred of people following them on their social platforms. So you have to know, like, you have to be able to differentiate between a scam and a not scam. So you have to know. So this is the Klever, but as you can see, they're verified on Twitter, and they currently have 295k followers. Trust me, 295k followers are not going to follow something that is not legit. I promise you. So yeah, these look at what is going on, look at what they're talking about, and then join in if your everything you've read and heard about the project so far, that you've done your research, you're okay with them, you can go ahead and put your money. But if you don't feel comfortable, do not put your money into anything you're not comfortable with. So currently they have their wallets, they have their exchange, NFT platform, and then there's so many partnerships going on as well, which you can, let's see, we can get to that. Yeah, the NFT marketplace, the testnet explorer, documentation, and all of that. And then you get to see what is it called? The project owner, like the CEO. This is like the testnet launch, introductions, and everything to expect from the testnet launch, and all of that. So you get to see that and all of that. So you get to see the documentation, everything the project is about, and you get to read. You have time, read, and all of that. If you want to become a liquidity provider, all of that will be available. So yeah, so the last thing that I actually pay attention to is the price movement and the potential. So it's just like you have to just guess for yourself what is going to happen within the project when you've seen what they're about, the use cases, the problems they want to solve, everything about them, what they're doing, how often they interact with their community, and all of these things. So yeah, so there's so many things that I can point to that just go on and on and on and on and on. So it's just you just have to put your money where your mouth is. And I'll say again, as you can see from the CoinMarketCap website, directed me to their official Twitter page. So which is like the legit one, because that's the same one we had here. So yeah, that is how you do your. Make sure you do your research. Make sure you know each and every coin, everything they're doing, what it is about, what problem they're trying to solve. As you can see here, there's exchange here, there's wallet here, which is one of the use cases. And to be honest, when I was researching about this project, I actually thought maybe just one shit coin that you just used to do pump and dump. And then I got properly into it, and I was like, the use cases of this thing makes a lot of sense. And then they have a pair of weapon and all of that. But I will just leave that to you. This is just my own way of doing research. Yours might be different. If there's anything that you guys think I've missed out or anything, you can put it down in the comment below, and then let's have a chat about it. So this is where I'm going to end the video. Watch to learn. Thanks for watching. Now see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And then I'm out. Peace out, guys.